Hi folks, it's Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with another review. This is from TCL.com. Products, they make a whole lot of different stuff. Mobile phones, television, sound bars, headphones, home comfort stuff. And this is their TCL 10 Pro, a T799B model number, and it's a mobile phone. And what's really cool is you can use this on several networks that are GSM carriers. That includes AT&T and T-Mobile. It's also certified for use on Verizon's LTE network. So the nice thing about this too is it's performs and acts and has a lot of features of a high-grade phone, but you can get it at a much inexpensive price. Right now, the suggested price on it is $449.99 according to the website, so basically $450. And I see it very comparable to a lot of the expensive phones that we get sent to us from AT&T, from Samsung, et cetera, et cetera. It does a really beautiful job, and it's not going to break your bank. It's got a 6.47 FHD plus curved AMOLED display with a 93% screen to body ratio. I mean, if it didn't have TCL on it, you might get the impression this is any other phone from a high-end vendor that sells you an expensive super phone that you're going to end up paying for all your life. It's got a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 octa-core processor and 6 gigabytes of RAM for smooth performance, up to 128 gigabytes of internal memory. It's expandable to 256 gigabytes via micro SD card. It's got quad rear cameras with dual LED flash, 64 megapixels of ultra high res and hybrid autofocus, plus 2 megapixels of a 2.9 super low light video, 16 megapixels of 123 degrees super wide angle, and 5 megapixels macro. It's all in there, and tons of cameras for you. 24 megapixel front facing camera, which is pretty freaking awesome. It's got fast charging, 4,500 milliamp hour battery with OTG reverse charging. In display, fingerprint sensor and face unlock for fast and secure access, and it features TCL's intuitive and customizable user interface. I got to tell you, I loved it. We get a lot of phones that we review here, and it performed just super well, did a great job for us. Seemed like any other phone we get on the market, and that you might pay a lot more for, up to $1,000 more. This thing performed really well. It runs on Android UI 10, so you got that there. It's got dimensions of 6.24, 2.85 by 0.34, and weight is 6.6 ounces, pretty light. You get in two colors, amber gray and forest mist green. So there you go. Yeah, just a really great little phone that isn't going to break your bank, and you can use it on a multitude of different systems. You just slap your SIM card in there, and away you should be able to go, et cetera, et cetera. I was really impressed with it, of course, like I said, and I think you will be too. It's got all the features you want, especially the in-screen fingerprint works really well. Couldn't think of anything I didn't like about it. I highly recommend it, especially for the price point that it's at and the quality that it's at. Go to TCL.com. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the show, and we'll see you guys next time.